Hi, this is Roger. Thanks for dropping by. This is just to let you know that I'm not going to be filming for the next couple of days. Hannah is down for the weekend, so I've got travelling to do tomorrow morning and then again later on Sunday. I've got two pre-recorded videos which are more of the grading the plants type videos, you know, where we pick up each plant, have a look at it, have a chat about it, and then decide whether it's an A, B or C. I've got two of those pre-recorded because I filmed them all on the same day basically. So I will post one of those probably later today, something like that. And that will do for like tonight and for Saturday, and then I'll post the other one Sunday morning, which will in effect replace the Sunday chat. I know it's no substitute, but I just fancy a couple of days off, you know, with my daughter. We'll be doing a bit of work on the garden, I expect, and catching up and all that sort of stuff. I mean, she only comes down every sort of 4, 5, sometimes 6 weeks, so I don't see her very often. So it's just nice to spend some time together. So I shall cut back on the filming. I've just got the pre-recorded ones. And then Monday is normally my day off, but I might actually do something on Monday to sort of make up for not doing so much over the weekend. And I hope that's okay, but that's what's happening. Now I've got very little work to do in the grow room. I've actually got a bit of watering to do today. The last sort of few in the watering session, and then again I won't be doing anything in here probably till Monday, apart from putting a squirt of water on the mounts, the few that I've got. You know, I keep a bit of water in the sprayer just for that. And yeah, so I'll see you sometime next week. Bye for now.